Okay, as you can see above, we are on the Birla Carbon stand at K2025. I'm here with Alessandro.
Welcome to our booth, Martin.
How was your first morning on the K show, Alessandro?
Very busy, very exciting times here. We had quite a few traffic, or quite a lot of traffic here already. And it's great to be back after 3 years. It's been too long.
Absolutely. What kind of product portfolio do you bring to the K Fair?
So as usually we are represented with our Raven brands that are well known to the industry. We are very proud to introduce also our new gain, our Nanocyl nanotube business to the group. We have a new portfolio of conductive grades, so we have certain themes on the booth that you will find. Come and visit and find out yourself, but the main themes are conductivity, are sustainability, and plastic in general, wire and cable.
And you still have the Raven range of products, right?
Absolutely, Raven is still there and to be around, and new to come.
What about Continua?
Continua, absolutely. We presenting Continua brand here. We have extended our portfolio into a certain range of Continua and sustainable solutions. Come, find out, meet our team of experts here at the K Show to find out what the value it brings to your solutions.
Thank you very much, Alessandro.
More than welcome. Happy to meet you.
Have a good fair.
Martin.